So good morning everyone. So we are from the Dr. Aurelio Mendoza Memorial Colleges, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. We are from the group of Sansi Club and we are now performing a casting and molding about the show print impressions.
So we are going to introduce the materials that we are going to use in our activity, which is casting and molding used in shoe prints and tire impressions. First is scissor, metal strips, pen, and record book for recording and note taking.
Next is bond paper, manila paper, pilot pen, varnish, and oil.
So next, the double-sided double-sided tape, the 1 kilogram of plaster of Paris 1 kilogram, a bamboo stick, and also another plastic varnish, a mahogany plastic varnish, and also we need also a water, 1.5 liters of water, and also an empty bottle of spray so that we can put the plastic varnish to this.
Next is box, mixing bowl, and 1 spoon, and we have sand.
To each and everyone. So after we trace the tire marks or the tire impression, so we will proceed to the next step in making or mixing the plaster of Paris, and after mixing the Paris, we will pour the plaster of Paris here in the tire marks or tire impression.
Ikat na kayo
So after we spray the oil into the tire impression, so we spray again the plastic varnish to the impression, so that the soil or the sand will stick together and they will not easily destroy. If to avoid damage. After 6 minutes of spraying the tire impression, we will proceed now to mixing the plaster of Paris with water. So, as what you can see, we keep on mixing the plaster of Paris until it will be dissolved and it will not so much thin or thickness. So, it is very important to have an exact amount of water. Now after mixing it, we will now pour it to the tire impression. So this is now the plaster of Paris, the image of the plaster of Paris after we mix it and pour it onto the tire impression. So be careful on putting and pouring the plaster of Paris so that the impression will not be destroyed or be removed or be damaged. We put the first layer of the plaster of Paris. We let it on only 30 minutes after it becomes hard. Then after 30 minutes, we put the metal strips for the second layer, and we put again the plaster of Paris for the second layer. So we will wait until up to 5 hours or 4 to 5 hours until the plaster of Paris or the tire impressions will get hard. So good morning once again. So this is the outcome of the tire marks or tire tracks or the tire impression. So after we let the paraffin the plaster of Paris and make hard in almost 5 to 8 hours. So this is the tire impression. So we need to brush it so that we can clearly see the impression. So So this is the outcome of our plaster Paris casting and molding of the tire marks impression.